Hey guys, hi, this is Sanjay. So today we're gonna see how we can create the Google Cloud Google Cloud account, a free account with the $300 credit, and how you can use that one for the rest of your learning. So and we are going to set up the Cloud SDK after that. So let's list down all the things that we got. So we are going to create a Google Cloud account, which will be free account with $300 of credit. Now we'll download the Cloud SDK from the archives. Then we'll set up our Cloud SDK on your desktop using command line. Then we'll install the PyCharm, and we're installing PyCharm for the Terraform. So we are going to use Terraform to create is the infrastructure as a code. So that's what I'm going to show you. Then I'll give you a little bit an introduction of what Terraform means, what Terraform does, and means why we are using Terraform. Then we can set up a Terraform on PyCharm. So I think this is it, guys. This is what we're gonna do for now. And later I'll keep on adding something to this. So let's. So I think we can go ahead and we can create our account now. Let me save it first. So now let's go ahead and create our account. So you can go to console.google.com and let's Google it. I think it's console.google.console or something like that. So let's search it out. Yep, console cloud google.com. Okay, let's create a new account and we'll see later what it is it's going to ask for. Get a new Gmail account, new Gmail address instead. All right, let's create that the same one. All right, let's go ahead. Now we have to create a password. Now let's give a phone number. Let's give means you can enter your phone number here. Recovery email address is optional, so I'm not gonna use that one. Give your birthday, gender. So I'm just updating all the information that it needs. All right. It will ask for your all right, just accept the privacy and term. Now your main page will look like this as soon as you log in, and here accept the terms. Now you can see you can get started with Google Cloud Platform with 12 month of credit, $300 free trial credit you'll get as you'll start with it. So I think we can use that one. It will be, and believe me, you won't be able to finish this $300 credit for in a while. It will take a while. Now if you'll see here, $300 means you are in United States, so use that one. Now you see in the right hand side that I have $300 credit for free. Sign up and get 300 to spend on Google Cloud Platform over the next 12 months, and there'll be no auto charge after free trial. And so don't worry about means you'll get charged or something. I'll just update the information which it is looking for. Now you have to add your credit card information. Don't worry, you won't get charged for this one until you go ahead and say that yeah, you want to get charged. And click on start my free trial. So this is a welcome screen where you'll by default get a my first project here. So this is your my first project. If you click on this, you'll create this one, and there will be ID created for this one. So let's create a new project for us. Means we don't want to use our default one. So project name, let's say learning underscore project, and you have your default name for it. Okay, it doesn't accept an underscore. Okay, you have to use dash, and your default name ID will be created along with that. So that is our default ID. Now let's create. So it's creating our first project. You can see it there in the notification side. Now our first project is there. If you click on my first project there for all the projects, that is your learning project you can select. So we don't have anything in that, no VM or nothing there. So no compute engine, CPU showing up, no resources, nothing. We'll create some, don't worry. So this is your project name, this is your project ID, and this is your project number. And you will create a bunch of projects, means you can create projects for your workspaces. Means those are different workspaces you got. Now we'll install the Cloud SDK from so as we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go and do the run everything with the SDK on the command line. So let's download the Cloud SDK from archive, of course. Now go get the one with the Python. Otherwise, you'll have to install Python separately. So just go get the zip file in the Python. I already downloaded that one, so I'm gonna extract it. So I have the bundle Python here. Let's extract it here. All right, so we are ready with the Cloud SDK. And if you want to run the Gcloud command from here, means that's your bin directory, run cmd here. So you will be able to run the Gcloud from here, or you can set it up in your environment. So let's see the version that we got. So instead of that, you can set up the whole bin directory in your environment variable. So let's see, it shows our version there, but let's go ahead and means edit in our environment variable so we can run it from anywhere we want. Go to command line again. Now run gcloud -v. I think you'll be able to run it from anywhere now. All right, that's great. So run gcloud auth login to authenticate yourself. Let's see. We'll use the $300 free account we've created. Just allow. Now you'll see this page. You are now authenticated. So you're now authenticated. Now we'll initialize our configuration. Let's run the Gcloud init. Alright, reinitialize what I have initialized before. Now select one because we want to use the Gmail account we have created, free Gmail account with actually free $300 credit that you got. Now select the project that we have created, learning project. You want to configure a default compute region and zone, say yes. Now I am selecting the US East 1B, which is my zone, which is South Carolina near me. But you can use either one of them, like Asia East 1, just to check the Google documentation for the region that you want to select, which is nearest to you. So I'll use the first one. Okay. All right. So Gcloud. And if you are not all right, so I got reason is all right. So if you didn't select any reason or zone while you are configuring it, you can again do it later, like Gcloud config set compute region as a US East 1 and zone as a US East 1B. Okay, so this is how you update your conference. Now we are all ready to go with your Gcloud commands. And you already authenticated yourself, you initialize your configuration, so everything is ready to go. Now next chapter will we'll install PyCharm, and means we'll configure Terraform to it, and we'll see how we can go from there.